Hello, welcome to Ellie V Toys. We are building another bedroom today. This one is Lego Friends Mia's bedroom. We have already built Olivia's deluxe bedroom, so this one's not quite a deluxe bedroom, but it has got some really quirky attributes in it, which are, they've been personalized, obviously, because it's Mia's bedroom. Oh, look, I've got 2 sheets of stickers in here. That's cool. I like it when that happens. Oh, look, there's a cute little brown bunny to hang out with Mia in her bedroom. This is Twister. I'm assuming that she is Mia's bunny because she's hanging out with her in her bedroom. In fact, she even gets her own bed and she's on the walkie-talkie. Who's that? Is that... How does a bunny use a walkie-talkie? I don't know. Twister is obviously a bunny with some hidden talents. This set comes with Mia, obviously, because it would be super weird if Mia's bedroom came with, say, Stephanie or Andrea. That would be really weird. Okay, Mia has got some sunglasses there and she's got the walkie-talkie, which Twister has taken the message for. Has she taken a message? Did you jot it down? No, and she's forgotten what the message was. Well, we're never going to know what the message was, so we'd better continue building. There is the sweetest little plant here, and it's I think it's a terrarium. So it's got a little plant here growing under a glass dome, and this is a nice stand also for Twister, so you can display a bunny on top of the flower. All right, on to Mia's bedroom, and this is such a quirky looking build. In fact, this is a bedroom that would look kind of out of place in a house, but in isolation, just as a display piece, it looks really cool because it's got all of the things that you would expect for Mia and for her personality. And, well, because she loves carrots and she loves water. No, that's actually not for her. That's the little bed for the bunny. The bunny gets the bottom bunk of the bed. That was a lot of bees. And there is a skating ramp here, so she can practice, she can do some tricks. And we get a little bit of graffiti up here. She's put her Mia tag at the top of her skate ramp. All of this is in her bedroom. I mean, who would have this in their bedroom? That would be so cute to have your bunny sleeping on the bottom bunk. And to be able to slide down the ramp to get out of bed. That would be very cool. Here we've got a teeny tiny arch. This might be her window, maybe? Olivia's bedroom had a window. This one's got... it's a window with a branch over the front for a little bit of privacy. And, it's not a window, it's... Does it go here? It does go here. So it makes this into a kind of a hybrid for a hutch and a bed and a window into the outside world from the bottom bunk. That is so weird and cute and cool. And this is like a tree house or a tree trunk bed. Hold on, a tree trunk bed? A tree branch bed? A tree bunk bed. That's what I meant to say, not a tree trunk bed. So her bed is actually built out of a tree. This is so whimsical, but at least she gets the top bunk because everybody always wants the top bunk. I don't know why, because it's really hard to get out of the top bunk if you need to go to the toilet in the middle of the night. But she does appear to have, these look like a little ladder up to the top bunk. There we go. And oh God, you've just knocked the ladder off me. Go and find it, thank you. Okay, she's delivered back the ladder, so it goes over here, and then we put the top bunk on up here, and it's looking really good. She also has a coffee mug sitting on the edge of her bed. I wonder how long that's been sitting there and whether it's growing mold, because that happens. She has got a heart-shaped base like the other bedrooms do as well. Did you notice that? It's really cool, and it's so pretty. Okay, back up here in the bed, let's make sure that it has railings all the way around, well, almost all the way around, so that she doesn't roll out onto the floor in the middle of the night. There's a nice comfy looking pillow, and now she needs a signature Mia bedspread with orange and the lightning strike and the nature theme on it too, which is really cool. She looks like that's as much railing as she's going to get up there, but she does look quite safe. She didn't roll out immediately. Her skateboard, very important. This way she now doesn't have to share the skateboard with her brother from the treehouse set. They can each have their own skateboard, because sharing is tricky sometimes with siblings. It has got its own little clip here. Everything gets stored so neatly in her bedroom. I like that everything has a place. In fact, maybe we could put the walkie-talkie up here on that hook up there. That's cool, except I don't think that's where it actually belongs. I think that this flag that we are now putting up belongs on that hook. Yes, it definitely does. So, sorry walkie-talkie, you actually don't have a home. You can be up here in the bed with Mia. Keep beeping all night, keep her awake. And down back here on the floor, we've got a box And in that box, we're storing some binoculars. And we actually have 2 sets of binoculars, though only one's supposed to go in the box. We might as well put both of them in there because that way we'll know where they are. So that's cool. That is the whole thing. And isn't it cute? Isn't that little bottom bunk with the bunny just the cutest thing ever? And the fact there's a space for everything, except for the walkie-talkie. We can put this flower wherever we like. We can move it around the room to make sure it stays in the sunniest spot. Oh, we can put the walkie-talkie in the box. Excellent. All right, it's morning now for Mia, and Twister has got a very urgent message. The walkie-talkie is beeping. Should I have to downstairs in the box? So Twister's gone to get it, and Mia is drinking some of her coffee, which I'm hoping doesn't have any mold growing in that cup. There we go. Okay, message is coming through. It sounds a bit like this. Mia. So nobody has any idea what that actually means. So maybe the binoculars, she's on quite a high lookout here. If she could actually hold these binoculars up to her eyes, which she can't because Minnie Doll's hands are a little bit rubbish like that. So we're gonna hold them out here for her, and she can see a problem out there in the distance. No idea what it is because she didn't bother to tell me or Twister, but they're both gonna hop here on the skateboard. She's gonna really, really quickly drink that coffee, throw the cup away, and off they go. Off they go. Oh, whoa. I don't think that was the right direction. But that's okay. All right, well, maybe there's trouble at the treehouse. Maybe her brother has forgotten the secret password again and can't get in. Now, if you missed that video, the build of the treehouse, make sure you check it out and make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumbs up. You know, all those things that I ask you to do all the time, and I hope you do them. I love to see them. And I'm going to be back for another video very soon. So I will see you later. Bye.